It started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for a love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be alive.
こんにちは。
Ikke tilhører dem selv, må ikke nedbringes på flyrejsen. En overtrædelse af dette kan...
I'm so amazed. This is my first time seeing a 7-Eleven in Europe. So they have the actual store right here. Can you believe it? They have the Dubai chocolate here in 7-Eleven. Nasampal ka na ba ng Dubai chocolate?
Tutubuan ba kita sa liga? Sabi yung buhok mo tatalo.
Hindi talaga na.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Tita mong nagpicture. Ang oras ay mali. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. This is the famous burger here in Copenhagen. And we'll definitely try this tomorrow. Halika dito, kunwari mahal natin ang isa't isa.
Ay, bigyan kita.
Sino yan? Ang ganda. May mas maganda pa dyan. Oh. Wow, ang liwanag.
Wow, Bernham.
ito. Ito, stay.
Kumana? Hindi pa bayad yan ha, inilam na nga.
Asim. Babalik ako mamaya. I really love Slurpees. So if I see one, which they have here in 7-Eleven Copenhagen, I will definitely grab the chance to drink it. Even if it's 0 degrees Celsius or negative 1 degree Celsius, I'm gonna drink it with my gloves.
Good morning.
It's freezing cold, even the trees are stood up. Good morning, everyone. Today marks our second day here in Copenhagen and still freezing cold as usual. And here beside me is my map telling me where to go. I'm the map! Sabihin mo nga. I'm the map! Toto ka talaga. Merry Christmas!
Akala ko naman sa pala. Tingnan mo yung pangalan. Baggy.
We are here at Nuon, and this is the main spot here in Copenhagen because you can see why. It's so beautiful. We're at the Nuon.
Saan to?
Nuon.
Ayun yun. Ito lang ako.
From there on to there. So freezing cold. We are going to the Church of Our Savior. It's supposed to be like a spiral stairs outside the structure. I was originally planning to go, and see the view from the top of the stair, but we can already see it from here. No signs of a human being doing it. So maybe we're just gonna take a picture outside. Musta ka naman, Kuya Kim?
Oh, siya.
Here comes favorite part of my travel day. As a maarte. Baon namin to. Kinuha ko lang tatawaan ng candy. Sarap.
Manghang yan. Manghang.
Hindi lahat din. Parang chorizo. Sarap. Sarap. Baga.
Ganito mo nga para hindi mahulog sa damit.
Ay, nainggit. So we went to this rooftop restaurant, Gloomy, and you can see the whole view of this Christmas market. And this is all the shops inside the Gloomy. It's like a mall, but also with restaurants or like food halls inside. And the shops are very interesting because it's mainly artistic home decors and other more arts. Look at this mirror, it's so cute. The hub's doing his business again. So this is me just roaming around. We're back here with the lights on. Merry Christmas again.
Lights on din kanina.
Christmas beer, oh Christmas beer. Sage with our Christmas beer, oh Christmas beer.
Ito nga kanta kailangan.
Oo, kailangan. Tikman na natin. Baka mainit.
Itagay mo.
Crunchy.
Goodbye, Copenhagen. Goodbye, goodbye. I will miss your pastries.
So we weren't able to try the gasoline grill in the center of Copenhagen. But good thing that they have it here in the airport. So
Yep.
we are gonna try it before we go. Yeah.
Gusto mo magenta?